there is a cute word for don't throwing the bad word like dabbo.
That's true.
The girls they use it, no? When you small girls,
I'm not teaching.
I'm paying my dabbo and stuff like this. I know. That's cute way, by the way.
ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? እኛ ደህና ነን እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ዛሬ ባለቤቴን አማርኛ በድጋሚ መፈተን ፈልጋለሁ። ቃላቶች ሳይሆን ወሬ ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም አገር ቤት በነበርንበት ወቅትና አሁን ደግሞ ከተመለስን በኋላ ከቤተሰቦቼ ጋር ረጅም ሰዓት ስልክ እናወራለን በቪዲዮ እና በአማርኛ ነው ከነሱ ጋር የሚያወራው እነሱ በአማርኛ ነው የሚያወሩት አብሶ አገር ቤት በነበርንበት ወቅት የተወሰነ ሰዓት ተተናው ቤት እንሄዳለን ከእናቴ ጋር ከእህቶቼ ከወንድሞቼ ጋር ስመለስ ከእናቱ ጋር እንደዚህ አይነት ወሬ አውርተን ነበር እንደዚህ አይነት ታሪክ ነገረችኝ ምናምን ብሎ በስነ ስርዓት ይነግረኛል ከዛ እናቴን ሄጄስ ጠይቃት ተመሳሳይ እሱ ያለኝን ነው የምትለኝ በርግጥ እናቴና እህቴ የተወሰነ ፈረንሳይኛ ቃላቶችና እንግሊዘኛ ይቀላቅላሉ ግን እንደዚህ ትክክለኛ ምንድነው የሚባለው ኮንቨርሴሽን ለማውራት አይችሉበትም አያውቁም በደንብ ረስተዋለች እናቴ በፊት ተናገር ነበር ፈረንሳይኛ ግን ይግባቡ ነበር ዛሬ ቃላቶች ሳይሆን እንደነገርኳችሁ መጀመሪያ ላይ እንደዚህ ረጅም ቃላቶችን ወሬዎችን መፈተን ፈልጋለሁኝ እና ምጠራዋለሁኝ ምን ያህል ሌቭል እንዳለው ከናንተ ጋር አብረን እናያለን ኒኮዬ
አቤት
ና
እሺ
ዛሬ አማርኛ ፈተና
I'm here
good
ሰላም friends እንዴት ናችሁ እኔ ደህና ነኝ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን እንዴት ናችሁ
today I want to ask you Amharic not a words
like challenge or
like how you was talking with mama Wawi is my sister like a mother
family
with my brothers all family members was talking in Amharic most of time
yes
even in video
with you I don't talk Amharic
no with me short Amharic we mix
አማርኛ የለም
grammar
bet no
yeah we mix
everything
Amharic,
French
Portuguese.
German Korean everything
we mix the words much time
like a melting pot
well like grammar እንደሚባለው ነው ቋንቋችን ቤት ውስጥ ድምጥልቅ እናረጋለን
so you want to know the secret way I communicate with family
yes
right
that's the big thing I want to know
okay so we're gonna proceed
yes that's what I want to try with you
want to try me
yes
all right let's go
throw
something
I'm gonna make it so long
try me make it so long
yeah
it's fine okay
በማንኛውም ቦታ
koyende I like this one already koyende slowly
በማንኛውም ቦታ የትም ቢሆን የማይሰለቸኝ ምግብ ቢኖር እንጀራ በሽሮ ነው
you like to eat anytime
yes
shiro by anjara
yeah
you see if it's about food I'll be all right you like to eat shiro
me anytime no
yeah I know anytime so that's easy it's
ሁሉ ቀን በየቀኑ በበላ አይሰለቸኝም እንጀራ
level up
okay.
level up so second one let's go
it's come easy one I think most of ladies will like it to make it easy for you
all right
not hard
lady easy this is go together ladies and easy okay let's try
ዛሬ ጸጉር ቤት መሄድ ፈልጋለሁኝ
okay this one kas bakas I'm right kas bakas
ዛሬ ጸጉር ቤት መሄድ ፈልጋለሁኝ አዲስ ነገር መስራት ስለምፈልግ
today ጸጉር ቤት is hairdresser right today I need to go hairdresser you say new you need new haircut today you need to go salon because you want a new haircut
not cut
like arranging okay a new style
close you say cut but I just style okay
I cut by word ጸጉር ቤት
ጸጉር he know
is the hair ቤት is out all the time ጸጉር ቤት and Addis is new new style okay good
so another thing
level up go okay third one
the third one Nico ግን ወፍረሃል።
Nico ግን Nico, you see the belt?
No. No.
Wef is belt.
Not wef. ወፍረሃል.
ወፍረሃል. አልገባኝም. I don't know this one.
You know the meaning? ወፍረሃል. ወፍራም.
Fat?
Yeah.
Fat. Yeah, wefram. Okay. Nico.
ወፍረሃል.
Do you like
you
fat?
No, not
No,
not
if I get fat?
You get fat.
Yeah. Yeah,
a little bit.
ትንሽ. ትንሽ.
So, okay, when you have hand reaction with war, I think you understand like that with Mama.
Yeah,
and what we,
to talk Amarnya, I use my hands a lot. I used to switch words by English and French or whatever the person, another language, and that I know too, I use it as intermediary. And love talks, if you love the people, if you are engaged in good relation already, the eyes tell you a lot, the hands tell you a lot.
With Mama, you understand like that?
Yeah, Mama, because they talk quiet, not like you ladies, like big, like let's say by Amarnya, werenya. No, werenya. They talk quiet, right?
Mama have.
Yeah, I understand the mothers, the fathers too. I think I'm pretty good if I go touch bed and if I have a conversation.
Touch bed?
Yeah, touch bed.
Take you. That we didn't go on.
No, I drink touch bed in a restaurant, and then after I was walk the street of Addis like a dolphin, like this.
Where?
Yeah.
Me think that sometimes, for example, Sami is my brother. I have much brothers, by the way.
And sisters.
Sisters, brothers. We are a huge family.
Same for me too.
Yeah. We have.
Big family.
Yeah. Sami, you don't speak English, but you talk with him.
Yeah, you know English too. Yeah.
A little.
We understand each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ታሪክ ያወራሉ። አፄ ምኒልክ መጽሐፍ አውጥተው ታሪካዊ መጽሐፎች በጣም ይዟሉ።
Interest. Yeah, if you have common interest, you'll understand each other easily. Okay, ሌላ ጥያቄ አለሽ? Another question, please?
You know that ጥያቄ?
I know Amarnya. Good.
Who told you?
Good አንተ ነው? Okay.
ጥያቄ I didn't tell him.
Yeah, it's okay. ገባኝ.
Okay,
go another question, topic.
በትርፍ ጊዜ ምን እወዳለሁ?
What's the passion, hobbies? What you like to do every day?
Yeah.
ጊዜ.
Yeah. ትርፍ ጊዜ, the half of time after work.
እጅ ስራ.
It's right, as the number one.
እጅ ስራ, crochet, it's your crochet. እጅ ስራ, ababa, abebas, what you like?
Ababa, መትከል, planting.
Shiro. Eating shiro. Making buna.
ቡና በአማርኛ ማፍላት.
Yeah. ማፍላት.
But I got the answer how your conversation. That is the big point of it.
Yes.
And another question, ሌላ ጥያቄ ከእናንተ ልጠይቃችሁ. The language is funny already, right?
Yeah.
Language እኔ ቋንቋን እንደ መግባቢያ ነው በአንደኛ ደረጃ። በሁለተኛ እንደ ቀልድ ስትይዙት when you take it like a funny, you learn it more.
Yeah, every language, like you take funny, it's make it easier already. Like I say, it's all in the heart. To connect the heart already. And some words is pretty easy to catch it, to remind. Like, I don't know, the basics, selam, like, it's not only in Ethiopia that it's using already, selam, and that's not true. Much thing, it's Temesgen, Xavier Temesgen. The greetings and the thanks is melodious already, a melodious language. It's like singing.
True. You see? C'est vrai, I say.
Yeah,
c'est vrai.
ለምሳሌ
ፈረንሳይኛ ነው። እኔ ሁል ጊዜ ነው c'est vrai እላለሁ። እውነት ነው ለማለት ነው።
No, it's very easy and very polite. There is a much polite way to engage, especially when you converse with people you don't know that much. You have to learn the basics well, and that's good. Many greetings to God, also many The church too. The church, it's Bete Christian. It teach me a lot. I like to learn about everything.
Especially girls.
I like girls. I like to know which day it's which saint. Like Zare Kedus Georgis.
Oui, Kedus Georgis. Yeah, I was making
mistakes today. Oui. Yeah, Zare Kedus Georgis. I like to know about the saint. I like Ethiopian history as well. So like I say, when you invest in something, when you're interested, firstly you're gonna learn because you want all the time to learn more and more. Yeah, and in Ethiopia I like the other languages as well, like Oromifa, I like Tiko, Kotu, Defi, Akambultani, Negatibula, what else? I like it. I like Orominia because it's easy to catch. The words is I won't say like flat, a little like French words, nothing strong accent to catch. Very
simple.
Yeah, simple. Tigrinya also I like. Ewe, Nemesgen, Dehan, Kame. Tigrinya is nice as well, and I wish to learn other language because Ethiopia is full of languages. Guraginya, or
but I didn't know any word.
If you want in the comment section, teach me some greetings if you come from different provinces in Ethiopia. Teach me Guraginya or another place. Teach us some words, some greetings, basic greetings.
Wait, another question.
Okay.
Do you have somewhere when you go first language, for example, in Ethiopia, one word it comes similar like French or Portuguese? It confused you?
Bandira. Yeah, because by Portuguese, if I remember well, is bandera and bandira. It's the same.
Similar, yeah.
And also I see some French words in Ethiopia like lagar. I was very surprised to see lagar.
Voyage.
Yeah, bon voyage and many French.
And me, I have
restaurants and stuff like this. You have?
Yes.
Okay.
I said it by Amharic. I'll tell you later.
All right, go.
First time, I was traveling in an Arab country, and the word, it's so...
በአማርኛ
በአማርኛ የመጀመሪያ ጊዜ አረብ ሀገር የሄድኩኝ ጊዜ የአንድ ቃል አለ ሹበዳክ ይባላል በሊባኒሳ ምን ትፈልጊያለሽ እንደማለት ነውና ልክ ይሄ ሹበዳክ የሚለው ለወንድ የሚጠቀሙት ቃል ነውና በአማርኛ ታውቁታላችሁ ምን ቃል እንደሆነ ነው በጣም ነበር የተናደድኩት so much the meaning I will tell you እና እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ገጠመኝ ይኖራችኋል ወይ ልክ አረብ ሀገር አብሶ ያላችሁ ቶስ ጀርመን ዩሮፕ እንግሊዘኛ ማለት የተወሰነ ግሪክ ተርኪሽ የተወሰነ የሚመሳሰል ከአማርኛ ቃላት ጋር የተመሳሳባችሁ ነገር ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን
Yeah, you ask them the words.
Yeah, it was make me mad. The first word, shubadak, shubatik. It's something not good word by Amharic. It was I was taking it in a bad way.
All right. Yeah. Also, I talk about the bad words. Bad words keep fast, right?
I don't know why.
In any country.
Wait, but for kalat, it keep in the mind.
Yeah, it keep. And most of the time is short word and very simple. Like the one I'm sitting on. Quito. Very easy, no? Quito.
I'm saying it's not a bad word. It's a place.
Yeah, it's a place. It's a part of the body.
Makameja. By cute word, we say it's makameja.
Quito, yeah.
Yeah,
there is a cute word for don't throwing the bad word, like dabbo, no? I know the girls, they use it, no? When you small girls,
I'm not teaching.
I'm paying my double and stuff like this. I know. That's cute way, by the way. In France, it's the same. We have many... to don't say bad.
I'm not teach that.
No, you don't teach me. I know, I understand. I don't talk only with you, Amarina. I talk with Buzu people, much people. You see, Buzu people. Buzu people. Back there in Agere.
But what is this I want to start? I will ask all family members.
It's maybe not family. I know a lot of people.
36
in fact, I was born in Ethiopia.
I think so.
Yeah, you didn't know about, and I left a little. That's why the language forgotten. But yeah, not bad at all. So maybe one day we make a live video with them and they test me face to face.
That's
right?
good. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, that's good.
You will have.
Yeah. By the way, we have one idea. But Amarina, because I'm not perfect, to open a new channel and she will tell you about, and we would like to know your opinion about if it is good.
ቻናል መክፈት ፈልገናል ግን በአማርኛ አይደለም ምክንያቱም ብዙ ዘመዶች አሉ ያ ፋሚሊ ኒኮ ሳይድስ አሜሪካ ፖርቹጋል ፈረንሳይ የሚኖሩ እና በአማርኛ ብቻ ሊረዱን ስለማይችሉ ያን ያለንበትን ቦታ the place we are እንደገና we like to travel city to city country that's what idea አለንና ሌላ ቻናል ስለምንከፍት ጥሩ ነው ወይ ትመጣላችሁ ወደዛ ላይ አዲስ ቻናላችን ላይ
more silence more about showing nature and place and stuff like this stuff we
ብዙ ወሬ የሌለበት ነገር ግን just ተፈጥሯዊ ነገሮች ሲቲ ከተማዎችን ምናምን ማየት የሚፈልጉ ሰዎች ካላችሁ ልንከፍት ስለሆነ ሀሳባችሁን ከተጻፉልን እሱንም
to engage with more large maybe people because you are a family already you are our family you are here እሺ በሉ ደህና ሁኑ ሰላም ይደሩ አመሰግናለሁ በጣም እግዚአብሔር ይባርካችሁ we see you soon for another video another topic
and
yeah the next video don't miss the next video put a notification put the bell because there is a big surprise a big surprise
a surprise
she don't know man you believe that Becca there is a big surprise you will understand ምንድነው surprise
the surprise በአማርኛ የሆነች ምንድነው የምንለው
a good thing
አስደሳች ዜና
a big event something
አስደሳች
very soon stay around don't go far like comment subscribe
ባላችሁበት ሰላም ጤና ፍቅርን ያብዛላችሁ ሰላም
and the fikir all the time